Hi and welcome to this video. So in this one I want to quickly show you what you can do in case you are seeing this pop-up that asks for your license details and you do not know what to do and how to go on from here. So basically this pop-up will show in case the Thrive Product Manager is not activated on your website. So naturally what you will have to do is go to your Thrive Themes account, download Thrive Product Manager if you've not already done that, and then go back and install it. Starting with 2021, we have decided to stop selling the products individually, which is the reason why you will not be able to find license keys for the products anymore. So in case you do not know what to do, if you're seeing this pop-up, access our Thrive Themes website and log into your account. Then from the top menu, go to the Member Dashboard section. Here you will see these 3 steps, which are actually the steps that you have to take in order to install and activate Thrive Product Manager and then to be able to activate the plugins. So to download Thrive Product Manager, all you have to do is click on this link right here, which will start the download automatically. Once the download has completed, you will have to access your plugins section from the left sidebar of your WordPress admin dashboard. Then you will have to click on Add New here and click on this Upload Plugin button. Then of course click on Choose File and you can now browse through your computer to look for the downloaded archive from our website. So of course once you find it, you can click on it and click on Open. So then you can simply click on Install Now, and from there on I recommend that you read this article and watch this video tutorial that will show you the exact steps that you need to take in order to activate and being able to start using the products again.